So hello everyone, I am Shivam Verma and I am back with another video on this time on SIH. So basically in Smart India Hackathon, we had a problem statement. I am a third year BTech engineering student. In Smart India Hackathon, we had a problem statement on ticketless entry system to monument or museums and different heritage sites. So basically we are going to work on it. So the in this video I'm going to explain you the overview of the problem statement which we have thought and what we have implemented the details on it and what we are going to work on it in future. So in this, the app named is Paryatan, that is paperless entry at any monument. In Marathi, if anyone knows, it means trip. So basically, it is a QR-based e-ticketing application which has two different account logins. That is user login and admin login. This one would be the user interface which you are going to see. There were two admins have hosted their different monuments on this app, that are Taj Mahal and Victoria Memorial. So in this, whenever a user registers himself, he has to go through email verification and all, and after registering, he has the option to book the ticket. Suppose now user wants to visit Taj Mahal, he'll click on Taj Mahal. Then here he can see the video of the Taj Mahal, whatever there is the video. Then this is the website on which after clicking he can just visit the website of Taj Mahal. You can see it. See, this is the website of Taj Mahal which we are going to see. So basically, we take the details from the admin of his details like the website link, video, image of the monument which we are going to preview, and all the bank details. So basically, this is the part. Now here we can get the directions on Google Maps. Whatever address admin has fed, we can click here and we can just go and see where the monument is exactly located. Here in the address we had set as Agra in the Taj Mahal. So of Taj Mahal's address. So here we are going to see Agra. Second thing would be this one would be the description of the Taj Mahal, which is fed by the admin from his side. Then we can even see the opening time and closing time and the close date. Then here we get a date of visit where we want to we get the further 7 days whenever we want to visit the monuments. Suppose we want to go at April 5 to Taj Mahal, we can book the tickets. Now here we have to enter our names and all. So suppose if I enter my name, this I have entered my name as an adult, gender. This is a prototype which we are working on, and we will improve it in future. So this would be suppose Aadhaar number. Then suppose we can edit this and delete it. Suppose I'm going to proceed with it. So here is our QR ticket generated. Payment integration is not yet done in this app, but it is. We have made it separately. We have to just integrate it. This is the prototype and the idea explanation video, so which we are working on. We can simultaneously download this as a PDF and save it offline or share it. Basically, if you guys can scan this QR code and you would get the result that what are the number of visitors and who booked this uh, details of the monument who had booked this trip. So yes, this is the part regarding the front end of user side. So now talking about in the future from admin side we also get many features like admin would get a dashboard where he would get all the details of this which would display all the statistics and forecast like what is your target market, who else is visiting your monument. Suppose there are suppose from our app we save in our database what suppose 15% Indian males have visited, or let's say 70% Indian females or foreigner females. In general 70% females have visited the monument. So we can show these statistics to admin to let him identify his target market. So whenever he hosts any event in offline, he can do it in the preference of the target market which we have said to him. Then even we show him the details about the revenue of this month and all. So these are the details which Paryatan provides, and these are yet not present on any other app. Then even admin gets a red flag support which would be very helpful. Suppose now I have booked a ticket for an Indian adult. Suppose in Taj Mahal the price of an Indian adult would be around 100 rupees, but similar price for an foreign adult would be 1000 rupees. Suppose a foreigner visits the Taj Mahal and books the ticket on the name of Indian adult and with the Indian Aadhaar card. So user can report, admin can report that user, and basically after reporting, after multiple reports, users account gets banned permanently. Next thing, in the future, we can even integrate travel and stay local queues and communities, like travel communities and stay communities like hotels and restaurants. If they get integrated, their third UI can be present, and this app can be made more scalable. Then one more thing would be augmented reality and virtual reality can also be implemented in this app, like live streaming of the monument. Suppose this would be the part for admin, that we give him the data statistics, which would be helpful for his offline business. But what about offline? If he wants to achieve the business with full potential, he can also do online businesses. Suppose during Shiv Jayanti at Sinhagad Fort, there are many events, but not it is not possible for everyone to go and visit it physically. So for that, we can just make visual, with help of visual VR, virtual reality. We can do live streaming of the events happening there, and user can feel that he is present there, but yet he's not. So that can be done. For the user side, he can also give the tickets to his friends and families with personalized options, which we are going to further integrate in the app. Then a multilingual voice enabled e-guide bot would also be provided for the user. Suppose user visits the monument, that bot would be multilingual. He would just say, now turn right, and here, suppose he is visiting Taj Mahal, then at this was the point where Shah Jahan had cut the hands of the laborers who were working there. From here, this was the specialities of the place. So basically, there is no need of real guide. Everything can be done on e-tour guide, e-guide. Then talking about the future scopes, even we can connect and travel with our friends by making in this app. We can, like, there on WhatsApp, when we see there are many people who create different groups for visit trekking and for visiting the museums, heritage sites. There are many groups. So here we can even create groups on this app. Then we can have chat. We can connect with friends. Even we can connect with our social media friends, like on Facebook. So these functionalities can be added in this app. Even we are going to provide monthly subscription of Paryatan, which would be at nominal charges like 100 or 200 rupees per month, in which we can provide some discount and for other coupons, like on visiting the second time. If this is the second time visit of that monument of the user, then he would get an additional discount and these all stuffs. Even talking about the AI ML part, recommendation for the better visiting days of museum heritage can be done when less crowd is predicted and ticket prices are lower, depending upon the weather in the city. So these are the things which we are going to work on, and partial things have been done. So we are working on it. And talking about the dependencies, only dependency which we would have would be the online payment IDs, required transaction IDs for payment. Second thing would be data for the predicting the visitors who is like, admin has to specify the details, like for the training the model, we need details from the admin side about what are the what are how many people visit your monument. But this can be automated by ourselves, like we'll store the records of the first 15 to 20 days in our app, else is visiting the monument. And then we'll, after storing that records, we can automate the whole process of prediction by using robotic process automation, that is RPA. So yeah, keeping it short, we can continue in this further next video. So yes, thank you.